Hi guys, this is Yelena from Amazonia PPC, and today I wanted to share a quick update with you regarding Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the rest of the Q4. As all of us are very deep into Q4 already, I'm sure that you are exploring a lot of ideas what you could do. So I hope that you can find a couple of these ideas useful. First thing that I wanted to share with you in terms of promotion for Black Friday, Cyber Monday is to use holiday specific campaigns. That being said, using keywords like Black Friday deals, as you can see on my screen, Black Friday deals with Prime, maybe 2020, a different combination of long tail keywords that are all around Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. All of that are value shoppers who are looking for good offers. So if you have a product that you're looking to just sell out and get rid of the inventory, this might be a good way to funnel that kind of traffic that's ready to buy, and they're in market and they're doing the research. So that's the kind of market share that you will capture this way. Also, if you are in a specific category, like you can see here on the drop down, toys, TV, electronics, tablets, then you can discover what kind of search volume these specific long tail keywords that are holiday specific have. You can check either through Helium 10 or some other tools. Um, you can check that and start using these keywords with high budgets and high bids. That's one of the ideas that we are applying in one of the accounts that we manage that has specific budget set aside for some inventory that they want to get rid of because it's endangering their IPI score. So that's one of the good ways how you can get rid of it. Second thing that I wanted to discuss with you today is product targeting. So make sure you're using some kind of product targeting, whether that is defensive or aggressive type of product targeting. Defensive being bidding on your own products. You have to be aware that this is a very specific time of the year where a lot of customers they're browsing for products online and they're browsing for gifts that they want to buy for someone else, and they very often get lost in the different products that they're looking at. See this, see that, see this, see that, and they get lost really easily and lose their focus. So using product targeting on your own listing helps them keep them focused on your own listing and ultimately in your own brand, right? So that's the kind of effect that we're trying to achieve with this kind of protected product targeting. When it comes to competitive targeting or the aggressive side of product targeting is appearing on your competitors' listings through product targeting. So what you achieve this way is to get some unusual placements, especially if you're using sponsored display ad type. This type of ads does not have a very common placement. It's above the fold, right below the search bar or below the buy box. Some unusual placements that drive attention away from competitors' listings. So if you are tight on budget, protective product targeting is the way to go. If you have a little bit more to spend this time of the year, then make sure you use some kind of competitive targeting on the competitors' listings that you know have a worse offer than what you do. Also, one of the most common PPC practices we do this time of the year is to increase budgets around holidays, not just during the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, during that weekend, but 1 week before and 1 week after, because we want to make sure that we capture all those customers that are in the research phases, not necessarily focusing on profitability of our campaigns, but focusing on the reach and focusing on generating engagement and generating, I think brand awareness would be the right word to say in this case, simply because who does this? This is done mostly by brands that have some kind of customer loyalty attachment to their business model, meaning, for example, if you sell a specific type of shampoo for a specific type of hair, that customers will buy over and over again if they're eligible for subscribe and save, you will recognize this type of product. So if you do have this type of product where customer lifetime value is much, much bigger than what your average one sale is, then it makes sense to increase budget before and after these big dates. While you do this, it's also very wise to use discounts and coupons as much as you can discount to wow them. It would be a sacrifice in profit, but generating a loyal customer will be the long-term effect, and of course, organic rankings as well. It's a no-brainer. So with these discounts and coupons, also would be very beneficial to use some kind of competitive pricing if you can afford it, meaning discount your prices lower than what your competitors are doing. If they're doing it, then there's a chance that they're changing their ranks. They're using these big days to change their organic ranks that sometimes stay permanent after these dates. So something to keep in mind. If you see them decreasing their price, it might be time for you to just like, consider what would be the lowest one you are willing to give up on. External traffic, also one of the things that we do for our clients is to create backlinks from authority websites or influencers from social media that drive the traffic directly to our custom clients' listings. And this is one of the ways how you can help your listing long term. This is not just something you use on that's holiday specific. It's something you do all the time. And the reason for this is that when you set up a backlink of an SEO, regular SEO backlink coming from an authority website, you help your listing get ranked because backlinks is something that Amazon really loves. They're, after all, a website that also gets their ranking on Google. So they really appreciate backlinks, especially if they are from links from websites that have a higher domain authority. So external traffic in cases of holiday specific external traffic is something where if you already offer like a really big discount, and this is something that you are already doing on Amazon, why not showcase it on Slate Deals or other websites that are very similar to this, and then drive the traffic to your Amazon listing, knowing that they can expect a discount. This is a different way of doing backlinks, not specifically. We don't consider this to be, high authority website, like when you're doing in a niche, like if you're selling ski equipment and from some famous people who are in that world sending links. That's of course high quality, but Slick Deals will also do for this kind of specific, holiday specific, in short term promotion. That's what I meant. So think about that. Two ways of doing external traffic with creating backlinks. Also, giving out more frequent Amazon posts that are going to be holiday specific about Black Friday, about your product, about the discount that you're giving. It's a free way to promote the discount if you already are doing it. Not specifically it's a PPC thing, but it's more on the creative side, but still helps. It helps build consistency. If they see your ad and then a minute after they see your Amazon post and then they see another ad, you're gonna stick in their minds for a little longer. And when they try to make a decision which product to choose, the likelihood of choosing your product is going to be bigger. So Amazon posts, making them more frequent before the holiday and making it holiday specific, especially if it has, not in this case, not so much with the Black Friday thing, but for Christmas, for example, has an emotional note to it. Make sure you utilize that in your copywriting. Also, when it comes to copywriting, I wanted to mention that we write custom ad copy for also holiday specific ad copy in all the ad formats that allow some kind of customization, like sponsor brands ads, for example. Make it funny, try and make them laugh, try to drive attention, and beat the competition with copywriting. There's a big, huge power in it. You only have like small space to write something, but if you can write something funny or interesting, you will drive their attention, you will earn that click. So, and in the end, that's all that matters. So using holiday specific ad copy is also something I would recommend. And the last thing that I wanted to mention today is Amazon Live. So it's much cheaper for you to do an Amazon line in a very simple setup, just talking about the product, showcasing its benefits from home. It doesn't even matter. You will drive attention. It will do exactly the same thing as Amazon posts, just a lot more effective. So Amazon Post is something, Amazon Live is something I would definitely recommend for sellers to do for their products. Do it for throughout the whole weekend, for all I'm concerned, because um, the thing is that you will drive a lot more attention. It's something you don't really need to pay advertising clicks for. It's organic, and Amazon loves organic. And Amazon loves creating a branded presence for sellers and also for customers online. So they will appreciate the effort and push your Amazon Live even further in the search results. That's the kind of thing I would recommend, because doing PPC videos is expensive, and I would not always recommend it for holiday specific campaigns unless we're working with really, really big budgets and it does make sense to dedicate a specific creative to a specific holiday. If you're a smaller brand looking for growth, customer loyalty, then this is something. This is the way to go. Amazon Live, definitely. Do it on everybody. Everybody's going to be doing it. So if you don't do it, you're definitely missing out. So as you can see, all these tips and ideas I've shared are not tightly PPC related, but they do affect the success of PPC campaigns. They create this synergetic effect that ends up in success. So hopefully you found some good ideas here, and thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any other ideas for us on the Black Friday or any other Q4 holiday. I'd be happy to hear that. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.